In this video, we're going to see the second part for the reports for decision making. In this case, we're going to see the reports for pivot table and pivot chart. First of all, we're going to see the format for pivot table and how we can set it up and do reports with this kind of format. We're going to go to Zoho Creator and we're going to select one of our applications. In this case, I'm going to select the student application, where, as you know, we have a form for teachers, another one for courses, another for students, and the last one for marks. We have introduced data in the system, and we can see that inside every course, a student has a mark and passes or fails, depending on the mark. We're going to go to edit the application, and we're going to create a report for pivot table. We're going to create new report, and we name it. We select the type of report. As we saw in the last session, we have list, calendar, summary, create, spreadsheet, and now we're going to see pivot table. We select the form in which this report is based on. In this case will be marks, and under which section we want to place this report. Now we're going to leave it in marks for the moment. We're going to create the table. Now we have it ready, and we can see we have a brief explanation of how these tables are done and an example of what a pivot table is. So we have a series of columns, a series of rows, and some data. In the left side, we can see the fields from the form we have selected. So we can use these fields that we see here. To start, we're going to define some of the fields to appear as columns and others to appear as rows. For example, if I want to know how many students I have per course in which they have marks, because the starting point is the marks form, so we could select as column if they pass or fail. We could select as row the courses, and the data, I could have the students, the counting of the students. As you can see, in every column we have an option depending on where we put it and depending on the field, if it's text. So as we can see, it's real value. And in students, we have the counting to know how many students per course and how many students fail or pass. As you can see, there's a few various types of counting. There's all these options, or just the normal counting. So I click in the green button to generate. As you can see, I have the different courses. If they pass or they fail, how many pass and how many fail.